This is Packet Tracer 5.5.5 using CDP as a network discovery tool. Our objectives are examine CDP show commands and examine CDP configuration commands. This activity is at 100% because we're just going to examine these. And they would like us to start on router 1. Click on router 1 and go to command line. To enter, the first thing is show CDP. And it'll give you a list, the time, and the version. Then show CDP question mark. And it just says CDP. Show CDP interface. This gives you everything that's up and what it's all set to. We're going to go to show CDP neighbors. This only those that are directly connected to it will show on CDP. Type in show CDP entry R2. And you see it gives us quite a bit of information on the device. IP, address, interface, version, do. Show CDP entry space asterisk, which gives us the same information that we received with show CDP entry R2. Let's type CDP neighbors. As we see, it gives us the same information as well. We're going to minimize this. Go to router 2. Go to the command line. We're going to show CDP neighbors. It should show you 3 devices. It does, the switch, router 3, and router 1. We need to get into global configuration mode. And then we need to type in no CDP run and then exit. So let's do a show CDP neighbors. And it should tell us CDP is not enabled, and it does. So now we go back to router 1, show CDP neighbors. It's still showing router 2 on our CDP because the whole time it still has time on it. So let's try it again and see where we're at. Show CDP neighbors. We have 40 more seconds to wait. All right, let's try it again. And now you see we only have 1 device. Let's go back to the router 2 and enable CDP run. Let's go back to make sure this is back up before we move on. And now we have router 2 back. So now we are going to configure CDP for some interfaces and not for others. Let's go to router 2. We need to get into the interface serial. We're doing serial first. So now we're in the serial interface. No CDP enable. Exit. Exit. Show CDP neighbors. We gotta wait a little bit before that will time out. And then we'll go 80 seconds. Let's try it again. And router 2 is offline from us. Let's go to router 2. And router 3 is offline from this one. So we need to go back into global configuration, interface, serial 0/0/1, CDP enable, exit, exit, show CDP neighbors. Let's check. Make sure it's all back up. There's router 2 again on this. And now we see that router 3 is up. Okay. And that is Packet Tracer 5.5.5.